it's a very positive thing for us that the supporter that we have right now it's increased, and these things give more motivation to all the players to work more harder and give more effort for the team. So yeah, their only thing I believe in my hard work for me that I got a chance to play for the senior ATK team. The single highest goal scoring defender, Indian defender in history. So it's my goal and it's my target.
The VAR Show. The one place for your weekly football update.
Hola, very warm welcome to the VAR show, the show which talks about all the various major football leagues in detail. Today we are going to continue the theme of interviews, and we have a very special guest. He's one of the emerging talents of India, and he plays for ATK MB, ATK Mohun Bagan Football Club in the Indian Super League. He won the Indian Super League last year with ATK. So he is none other than Mr. Sumit Rathi. So without wasting much time, I'd like to first thank Sumit for coming on the show. Thank you and welcome to the show. And I would like to begin by asking you, how are you and what are you doing these days?
Hello everyone. So I would like to say thank you so much, the Warsaw of Nepal and all my viewers, that Mr. Subhasis Koirala giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. So yeah, it's good. I'm good. Well. So there's nothing to do much these days. I just focus to maintain my fitness level at home and stay fit and safe as much as possible. So yeah, all this thing and I focus on that more.
You know, like staying, that's nice to hear that you have been involved with your fitness, and probably so it might be very difficult for you. So, you know, like we are in the middle of a pandemic. It's not like hidden secret. Yeah, everyone knows that we're in the middle of pandemic. And personally for you, how has it been, you know, like past few months? Are you scared, like generally, like, because no one knows like much about the disease? So what have you been doing? Like, are you all scared and at home, or what do you do?
Well, we all know like our security in our hand. So always it's important that keep your hand always clean, wash your hand again and again. And we all know that our government give some instructions to all the peoples that maintain the social distancing and wear your mask always whenever you going in crowded area. So I just have taken special care of it and of last few months.
Of course, and I hope everyone listening or watching this podcast is safe, and probably I hope that just everything becomes all right soon. And you're like moving to a lighter topic, that is football, in comparison to what's happening in all forms of life around the world. It's been difficult for everyone, maybe mentally, physically, financially. It's been very difficult. So we'll talk of football, which maybe brings a little bit joy to many of them, like in some form or the other. So we'll talk of football. And you know, like, you've had a quite a surreal year. You made your debut for the senior ATK side, and also went on to win the ISL. And also, I think you received the emerging player trophy in the ISL. So how do you look back at your past 12 to 18 months?
Say it is a matter of great pride for me that I got a chance to play for the senior ATK team, where I got a chance to show my hard work and determination, and that moments is very close to my heart always, and which is the best feeling I ever feel in my life so far. So overall, it was a memorable moment for me, and it's feel always very proud, and it's a very amazing moment for me.
And you know, like you are with ATK Mohun Bagan. Last year it was ATK, now it's Mohun Bagan and ATK have merged, and now it's ATK Mohun Bagan. So when you joined ATK Mohun Bagan, and you have won the ISL also, I think last year, how has ATK Mohun Bagan been to you?
Proud to say that again I have got a chance to play for this team. This is my personal goal that I have to improve myself every day in a training and give my full efforts on the pitch and help my team to win some more trophies in future.
And I think you have recently signed a long-term contract extension with ATK Mohun Bagan. So since you have committed yourself for a long time with ATK Mohun Bagan, so what are the personal goals or achievements that you want to conquer, or tick off your bucket list in football that during your stay here?
Like when I signed for ATK in 2018, so this was the goal in my mind that I have to play for ATK senior team in Indian Super League. So it's my personal goal that which is I set before I signed for ATK.
And staying the same theme of clubs, ATK and Mohun Bagan merged, one of the biggest, I think, merging of two clubs in Indian history at least. And ATK are one of the most successful clubs in the recent Indian history since when, at least when ISL began. And Mohun Bagan, close to 130 years, one of the few flag bearers of Indian football along with East Bengal. So what do you think? You have fans of ATK which were there and who have been supporting you regularly since you have been involved and since when ATK started, and you have new fans coming in from the Mohun Bagan side. What do you think? Will there be extra pressure because of that? Because you have a new set of huge amount of fans coming in?
Well, it's a very positive thing for us that the supporter that we have right now, it's increased, and these things give more motivation to all the players to work more harder and give more effort for the team.
And you have Antonio Lopez Habas as your manager, and he's, I think, one of the most successful, if not the most successful, managers in the ISL, having won two, and the last of which being last year when you won it. So how is it working with Antonio? How what is your working culture with him?
Actually, it is a privilege for me that I have got this opportunity to training under Havas coach, and like we know, Havas coach is one of the best coach in the world. He's such a good experience in Indian Super League. So yeah, it's amazing feeling for me.
So next question will be slightly difficult maybe, and if you had to choose one, you would have of course faced a lot of opponents during your time with ATK last year itself. 11 starting players, and you have around 5-6 subs. So if probably with 3 substitutions, you may end up facing 11 plus 3 is 14 players a game. So that's a lot of games and a lot of players that we have faced. And if you had to choose one opponent that is the most toughest that you played against, who would that be?
Well, toughest opponent I ever face. I think I give to respect every player I play, and I think that every player is toughest for me, because for me in football you never know that which player when to play well. So I should never notice any particular player. I always give respect every player, and I always think that every player is tough for me, and that's why these things gives me a more attention in the match, and these things give me more motivation to perform much more better every day.
Okay, I'll let that one go. And staying with selecting on the theme of selecting one individual player, if you had the option to go back in history and choose one player with whom you could play, alongside whom you could play in a team, who would that be?
Well, in the history of football to play along, so I choose to David Beckham. Yeah.
So we are getting to the end and we have last few questions before we wrap up, Sumit. So if you had to choose one person, player or coach, who had the biggest influence in you as a player and in your whole career till now as a whole? Who would that be?
Actually, I inspired by my coach Rohin Kumar to play football, and he told me the importance of this game. So he's a great role model for me, because of him I involved with football. So he's one of the most inspired person for me.
So like the next question is a little bit more in diving into the future, and I know it won't happen soon. So, but when you retire, that will happen someday. And when you retire, how do you want like future players to remember you as? What is the legacy that you want to leave behind when you retire?
Actually, I'm not think about this, but when I'm retired, to be remembered as, I think, the single highest goal scoring defender, Indian defender in history. So it's my goal and it's my target to achieve in future.
So, on that note, Sumit, we have come to the final question of this interview, and I will ask you probably a question that everyone asks is in the end, and probably in the beginning. I'm not sure in the end. So, if you had to choose one standout moment from your career till now, which moment would that be?
Standout moment for me, I think, yes, the most memorable moment for me, when we won the under 18 SAP Cup in Nepal, which is most memorable moment for me, and which is the one of the best feeling I ever feel in my life, because we won first time in history, the Indian national football team in under 18 categories, first time ever they won the under 18 SAP Cup in Nepal. So which is the most best feeling, and this is the best moment for me as a football player. So I think this is something special for me.
So, definitely, and I think Nepal holds a close place in your heart, because if your standout moment is from Nepal and this interview is also from Nepal, so yeah, I must say it must hold a very close place. So, like on that note, we have come to the end. Sadly, I wish we could have continued, but we have come to the end. And like on that note, Sumit, thank you so much for coming on the show and giving us the opportunity to talk to you. And I wish you and ATKMB all the best for the upcoming season. Hope you can defend your title, and yeah, hope we can talk again soon. Like maybe as a new champion of ISL, and when you win it, I hope we can talk again. And thank you once again for coming. Till next time, take care, stay safe, bye.
Thank you so much, the Warsaw of Nepal, everyone, every viewers who watched this interview. And before we finish, I would like to say again, thank you so much, Mr. Subhasis Koirala, that you gave me this opportunity to introduce myself. So bye bye, take care, stay safe, stay home, and I hope that we will see you soon.